people really don't want to wait a week. You guys are on time.
100%.
So we're in that time of year where may need air conditioning, may need heating, system goes down. People really don't want to wait a week. You guys are on time.
100%. Yeah, we guarantee same-day service. As hot as it got this last summer and all those 100-degree days, we were able to guarantee same-day service. If you call us that day, we were able to get to you same day. We've got over 30 service trucks on the road all over the Metroplex to get there and take care of people. It's no different in the winter. Your furnace goes out, you don't want to go through a night without warm air in your home, right? And so you call us, we're gonna get somebody there same day, we're gonna get you up and running. Our number one goal is to restore your warm air. And then from there, we're gonna be complete, we're gonna be thorough. We wanna make sure that by the time we leave, you have peace of mind that it's not gonna break down on you again. Because if you get you up and running, but then next week it breaks down again, who are you gonna be mad at?
That tech.
Right? So it's the technician's job to get you up and going, then go through the entire system, make sure everything looks good, so that when we leave, we shake hands, you have peace of mind the rest of the winter that you're not gonna have another breakdown.
And how are your trucks loaded?
Completely stocked. We have thousands of dollars of parts and material on every single service truck. Again, our job is to get you up and running, right? And if we don't have the material, we're driving all over town, making tons of phone calls, trying to figure out if we can get something, that's not really helping you as the homeowner. So obviously we can't stock everything. We'd need an 18-wheeler and probably still wouldn't have enough room. But we try to strategically stock that truck as full as we can to handle 90% plus of the issues out there. Some parts have to be an OEM, where it has to be a manufacturer direct part. And we have great relationships with every supplier in town where we get priority. Even late nights, weekends, they'll open up for us to get what we need so we can get your warm air restored today.
Well, how can people get in touch with you?
Best way is to go to the website, theontimeexperts.com.
Okay.
And bevy of information on there. You can also click the Book Now button at the top, put in exactly what you need, and it drops right into our system. We can get out to you.